Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's tap on it and here scroll down in order to find the display. Now we have to tap on the wallpaper option, and as you can see here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and under it we've got two different options, two different basically albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got the system wallpapers which are pre-installed here, and the local album which is basically your gallery. Here you've got also the changeable screen lock wallpaper. You can always use it just by tapping on the switcher, but I don't want to do that. And let me pick something from the system wallpapers. As you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. So for example this one, and as you can see it will be immediately shown on the full screen. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on application. And as you can see right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it and now we can go back. And as you can see, this is how our wallpaper will look like after applying. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.